My name is Nick, and I work with Kenneth and Kira at curlcentric.com. Today, I'm bringing you another episode in Curlcentric's Professional Beauty Blogger series. Today, we'll discuss why we don't recommend using free blogging platforms. Many people turn to Tumblr or Blogger when trying to start a blog because it doesn't require any monetary investment. Who wouldn't want to start a blog for free? You don't have to pay for hosting or purchase a domain name, so it seems like the perfect deal. Even though you may not have intentions of making money or doing business on your blog, there is a genuine possibility that it will start making you money. Once the money starts coming in, even in small amounts, you'll be more motivated to grow your blogging income. And that is when your blog will become an income-producing asset for you. Brands and marketing agencies are always looking for new platforms to promote or sell their products. As your blog grows and you become a more successful blogger, they'll likely reach out to you. As your blog readership and following continues to grow, it will become one of your biggest assets. Therefore, it's better to own and have full control over your blog. That means you need to purchase a domain name and pay to have your blog hosted. Otherwise, you run the risk of Tumblr, Blogger, and many other free blogging platforms changing their terms, closing their doors, or shutting down your blog without explanation. There are several examples of this occurring online. Plus, free blogs show a lack of commitment from the blogger. Using a free blogging platform to start a blog means you can't have customized branded website address. For example, with Tumblr, your blog's website address would read like this: curlcentric.tumblr.com. This may not matter to you in the beginning, but once the traffic or the website visitors starts to pick up, you will definitely want a custom blog name and web address. Otherwise, your blog looks unprofessional and shows a lack of commitment from the blogger. Said differently, your blog looks like a hobby, not a serious endeavor. Plus, you'll eventually have to rebrand as your blog continues to grow. If you happen to accidentally break a rule that is buried within the site's terms of service, your site could end up getting shut down, and you'll lose everything you've created. That's a terrifying thought for anyone who spends countless hours building their blog. You might think I'm hammering on this pretty hard. However, that's because I don't want you to end up wasting your time. The reason why you're here in the first place goes well beyond just wanting to try out blogging. If you have any thoughts of making money from your blog, don't go the free route. You'll regret it later. After taking into account all of the negatives of using a free platform for your blog, I strongly suggest you consider a self-hosted WordPress blog using BlueHost. Why? Nearly every single popular hair or beauty blog with serious membership uses a self-hosted platform, simply because they understand you must own your blog to sustain success over the long term. Luckily, self-hosted WordPress blogs are very inexpensive. With BlueHost, there's a minimal monthly investment, currently $3.49 per month, and you get a free domain name. Also, there are no restrictions on customizing your blog. This means you can choose your blog name, website layout, design, colors, plugins, themes, and a lot more. WordPress is currently the most well-known platform for hosting blogs, making it a better choice than lesser-known platforms or free blog hosting sites. It's also very user-friendly, so don't be worried if you're a beginner. You can also learn more at curlcentric.com.